Bitcoin money cost truly equivalent to $295.43 a coin, which sort of is very critical. The present exchanged cost range, 268.29, 308.21, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 291.28, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The change by and large was plus 4.15, plus 1.42%. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Reverse rate, United States dollars, to BCH. Amazingly, Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not so distant future and month. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $279, essentially most extreme $299, beautiful least $259 in a genuinely large way. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, July 4, cost $324. Exceptionally greatest $347, fundamentally least $301, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost $365, most certainly greatest $391, in every way that really matters, least $339, showing how Bitcoin money value forecast for, in the not so distant future, and month. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $279, by and large greatest $299, least $259 in a genuinely enormous way. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, July 6, cost $358, genuinely greatest $383, genuinely least $333, which really is very huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, July 7, cost $368, genuinely greatest $394, extremely least $342 in a very significant way. In multi-week Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, July 10, cost $423, really most extreme $453, truly least $393 in an all things considered huge way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, July 11, cost $387, kind of most extreme $414, essentially least $360, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, July 12, cost $449, essentially most extreme $480, especially least $418, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, July 13, cost $521, in every practical sense, most extreme $557, sort of least $485, which really is very critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, July 14, cost $513, most extreme $549 in every practical sense, least $477, or so they by and large thought. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, July 17, cost $595, by and large greatest $637, beautiful least $553 in a kind of enormous manner. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, July 18, cost $613, genuinely most extreme $656, especially least $570 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, July 19, cost $612, most extreme $655, sort of least $569 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, July 20, cost $614, exceptionally most extreme $657, lovely least $571, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, July 21, cost $606, essentially greatest $648, sort of least $564, or so they in a real sense thought. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money figure on Monday, July 24, cost $625, lovely greatest $669, really least $581 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost $643, especially most extreme $688, fundamentally least $598, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, July 26, cost $621, sort of most extreme $664, truly least $578, which really is very critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, July 27, cost $637, by and large most extreme $682, genuinely least $592, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, July 28, cost $636, especially most extreme $681. Least $591 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month, Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, July 31, cost $632, most extreme $676, least $588, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, August 1, cost $591, genuinely most extreme $632, least $550, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. United States dollars to BCH swapping scale kind of equivalent to 0.3385 coins per $100, exhibiting that Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, July 28, cost $636, lovely greatest $681, kind of least $591, or so they sort of thought. Today's reach, 0.3245 0.3727, or so they truly thought. The past day's nearby, 0.3433, or so they thought. Change for now 0.0048, 1.40%, showing how Bitcoin money cost especially equivalent to $295.43 a coin. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, July 3, cost 0.358 coins, kind of most extreme 0.386. Certainly least 0.334 in a genuinely significant way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 0.309 coins, sort of greatest 0.332, especially least 0.288, sort of additional appearance how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, July 11, cost $387, certainly most extreme 414, lovely least 360. Or so they essentially thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, July 5, cost 0.274 coins, most extreme 0.295, sort of least 0.256, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 0.279 coins, certainly greatest 0.300, essentially least 0.261. Which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, July 7, cost 0.272 coins, by and large greatest 0.292, exceptionally least 0.254. In multi-week United States dollars to BCH forecast on Monday, July 10, cost 0.236 coins, really most extreme 0.254, kind of least 0.221. Essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost 0.258